Hi students, Namaskaram. Now we are discussing our third practical problem in the chapter Assessment of Fame. ABC and Company is a partnership firm assessed as such. The following particulars are available for the assessment year 2020-21. Loss as per profit account after debiting the following rupees 1,50,000 and we are given first remuneration to partners, interest on capital at 20%, patent acquired, donation to National Defence Fund by check, preliminary expenses paid. Remuneration and interest on capital to partners are as per date and all are working partners. These are very important points to be noted. Remuneration to partners and interest on capital to partners are as per partnership date and all partners are working partners. These points have to be noted for the computation of business income of the firm. Let us start to solve the problem. Take the loss as per profit account as base for the computation of business income. Net loss rupees 1,50,000. First compute book profit. For computing book profit, if there is any remuneration to partners in the debit side of profit account, it is to be add back with the net profit. Here, remuneration to partners A 90,000, B 60,000 and C 30,000, total 1,80,000. It is to be add back with the net profit. That is net loss. Rupees 1,80,000. Interest on capital at 20%. In the problem, we had seen it is as per date. If the interest on capital is as per date, it is allowed as a deduction up to 12% per annum. Excess of 12% is disallowed. If the interest on capital provided to partners is as per date, it is allowed as a deduction up to 12% per annum. Here it is 20%. Excess of 12%, that is 8%, is to be add back. Interest on capital to partners are as per date. Therefore, 12% per annum is deductible. Excess of 12% is to be add back. Interest on capital total 20,000 plus 24,000 plus 18,000, 62,000. Excess of 12%, that is 62,000 into 8 by 20, rupees 24,800. It is to be cancelled. Interest on capital in excess of 12%, 24,800. Patent acquired. We know it is capital expenditure and it is inadmissible. It is to be add back with the net profit. And as it is capital expenditure, depreciation is allowed at 25%. So add the patent in full, rupees 80,000, deduct depreciation on patent 80,000 into 25%, rupees 20,000. Donation to National Defence Fund by check. We know it is fully disallowed. Then we get deduction under section 80G from gross total income at 100% without any maximum limit. Now it is to be add back because it is disallowed. Preliminary expenses paid rupees 20,000. As per income tax law, it is allowed as deduction in 5 equal annual installments. Therefore, 1/5 is allowed during the previous year and 4/5 is disallowed. Preliminary expenses is allowed as a deduction in 5 equal annual installments. In this year, we can deduct 1/5 of preliminary expenditure and 4/5 is disallowed. So add back 4/5 of preliminary expenditure. Preliminary expenses 20,000 into 4 by 5, 16,000. Now we get book profit. From book profit, deduction under section 40B in respect of remuneration to working partners as per deed. In this problem, we are given that the remuneration is as per deed and all partners are working partners. Therefore, the remuneration to partners A, B and C is deductible subject to the conditions under section 40B. First, A. Actual remuneration to working partners. It is 1,80,000 or maximum limit which is lesser. How the maximum limit is computed? Here, book profit is less than rupees 3 lakh. Therefore, maximum limit is equal to 90% of book profit. That is 1,50,800 into 90%. 1,35,720 or rupees 1,50,000, whichever is higher. First, 90% book profit 1,35,720 or second 1,50,000, whichever is higher. The highest amount is 1,50,000. Therefore, maximum limit is 1,50,000. For deduction under section 40B, there is 2 points. A. Actual remuneration to working partners as per deed rupees 1,80,000 or B. Maximum limit, we computed it, rupees 1,50,000. Whichever is lesser is the amount of deduction. The least amount is rupees 1,50,000. Deduct it. Now we get 800. It is the business income. There is no other incomes. Therefore, it is gross total income. There is no income for property. There is no capital gain. No other source. Therefore, the business income being gross total income 800. From this gross total income, deduct donation to National Defence Fund. It is allowed as deduction in full without any maximum limit. Here, amount of donation is rupees 2,000, but gross total income is rupees 800. Therefore, the deduction is restricted to gross total income rupees 800, total taxable income nil. So, thank you.